Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you love tech and useful tips, hit subscribe. Let's jump in.
Connecting to a Wi-Fi network using WPS or Wi-Fi protected setup on Android 12 can be a bit different from previous Android versions, primarily due to increased security focus and a shift in how device manufacturers implement network features. While WPS was initially designed for convenient, password-free connections by either pressing a button on both the router and the device, Push Button Connect or PBC, or entering a PIN, its security vulnerabilities have led many Android 12 devices to either remove or deeply embed the feature. To begin, understand that on most stock Android 12 devices, you won't find a prominent WPS button directly within the main Wi-Fi settings as you might have in older versions. Google has largely deprecated the user-facing WPS initiation from the phone itself, favoring more secure methods like WPA2/WPA3 passwords and QR code sharing. However, if you absolutely need to explore WPS connectivity, here's how you might approach it. Keeping in mind that success can vary greatly depending on your phone's manufacturer, e.g., Samsung, Pixel, OnePlus often have slight UI differences. Start by opening your Android 12 device's Settings application. From there, navigate to Network and Internet, then tap on Internet or Wi-Fi to view your available networks. Here's where the path diverges. Some manufacturers might still offer an Advanced or Network Preferences option. Tap on this, and then meticulously look for any mention of WPS Push Button or WPS PIN Entry. If you find a WPS Push Button option, you would typically tap it, and then immediately proceed to press the physical WPS button on your Wi-Fi router. The two devices should then attempt to establish a connection within a minute or two without needing to manually enter a password. If you find a WPS PIN Entry option, your router likely has a WPS PIN printed on a label, which you would enter into your phone. However, it's crucial to reiterate that these direct WPS initiation options are increasingly rare on Android 12. More commonly, if you're trying to connect via WPS on Android 12, the process often becomes router-initiated. This means you would first press the WPS button on your physical Wi-Fi router. Once the WPS indicator light on your router begins blinking, signifying it's ready for a connection, your Android 12 device, if actively scanning for Wi-Fi networks or attempting to connect, might automatically detect and connect to the network without further action from your phone's UI. This method is less reliable for establishing a new connection compared to direct initiation from the phone, but it's the remaining passive way an Android 12 device might leverage WPS. For the vast majority of users on Android 12, the most secure and straightforward methods for connecting to Wi-Fi remain selecting the network name from the list and entering the Wi-Fi password, or utilizing the increasingly popular QR code method. Many routers now provide a QR code, or you can generate one from another connected Android device, which your Android 12 phone can then scan to connect instantly. These alternatives offer robust security and are the recommended approaches by Google. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing for more tech tips.